They came for benefits. He gave them the truth.
Now how on I want make I get all this thing? Well, I want make I see the money. See the way they walk. See the kind of work when they do, uncle. My wife just born twins and with a struggle to eat this clutch.
So because of that, you never come honor your mama with the sitting area.
All my mama need, say. Now one coffin, one grave. Sansai will shovel. My friend when me pastor go pray. Finish. What do we need all this cow, goat, and expensive drink? When no one kill me will never even see chicken chop in my own house.
Hey,
let me.